In today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to make collage reels on Instagram using photos and videos. First of all, I'm going to my Instagram, tapping on this plus icon, selecting reel, then selecting this camera option. In here, tapping on video layout, and then you can go ahead and select a collage or grid option. Once you selected, tapping on upload and selecting a photo from my gallery, and we can see the photo add date. And now again tapping on this upload icon, this time selecting a video from my gallery, and again tapping on upload and selecting another video from my gallery, tapping on done, tapping on next. And here we can see the reel collage preview. So this is my photos and these two are my videos. Now if you want, you can just add music, text, sticker to your reel, then tapping on next, tapping on share, and here we can see the final result. So that's how you can actually make reel collage using photos and videos for Instagram.